In this episode of Shop IQ Boosters, I'm tackling the battery charging chaos. If you're like me, you've got drill batteries scattered across the shop, some charged, some dead, and you never know which is which. I've built a charging station that solves this completely, and it's going to change how you work. Here is the charging station that I've built. It holds the messy situation I showed you in the previous clip, and it's going to change how you work completely. Let me show you how easy it is to build this battery charging station. I have cut 4 boards, which are going to form a frame. Nothing fancy, as you can see. All I used were leftover pieces I already had in the workshop. I have pre-drilled holes for the screws and made pilot holes too. I have also cut a small dado in each board, for the backing board of the shelves that are incorporated in the station. Now that power is sorted, what is the next Shop IQ Boosters problem I should solve? Drop me a comment. Which tool is the biggest headache to store in your small shop? Drop me a comment. Here I have placed all of my chargers in the frame so I can get an idea of which is the best fit. At the same time I have taken all of the measurements that I need, especially as I need to make arrangements for the 2 shelves at the base of the frame. Here I am about to cut the board on which the chargers will be mounted. I will also cut smaller boards for the battery shelves. Only a few measurements were needed to establish the size of the boards that I needed for the front and the battery shelves. What is your favorite material for shop projects? Have you used plywood scraps, free pallet wood, new lumber? Maybe you build 3D printed parts. Drop me a comment. To secure the front board onto the frame I have used 2 screws on the left end and 2 screws on the right. 2 screws were also used at the top. On the back of the station I provided a 4-way extension, which connects to the mains power. The plugs of the 4 chargers are plugged in it. You can see the 4-way extension in the last video clip. The battery charging station is now complete. As can be seen here I have used 2 large picture hanging brackets for mounting the battery charging station to the workshop wall. One was placed on the left upright and the other was placed on the right upright. I found these to be perfectly adequate for the weight involved. Here you can see all 4 chargers charging some of my batteries. A 4-way extension, identical to the one I used at the back of the station, can be seen on the right of the first battery shelf. I am really pleased with this very neat, efficient and compact arrangement, which was so easy to construct. This battery charging station makes my workshop feel and function smarter. The best part of this project is that it took me 50 minutes to build and, wait for it, it cost me nothing. Now you see what good value my Shop IQ Boosters videos are. Subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss the next eye-opener. This has been Shop IQ Boosters, Series 1, Episode 2. Thank you for watching my new Shop IQ Boosters project. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I also hope that it gave you some ideas for your own work. I upload a new project video every Saturday at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I hope to see you there. Have you subscribed and hit the bell? The Foundry of Ideas. Shop IQ Boosters, micro updates and tiny tricks that make a small shop feel and function smarter. Options and solutions you need. The next Shop IQ Boosters video, for Saturday, December 20th, 2025 is Dream to Reality, Router Dust Solution.